Hi everybody, this is CR number 15, helper video number 1. It says find the solution, 3x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 2 equals -1. Well, based on what we've been learning in class, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to do the distributive property. Now, if you recall, to do the distributive property, we are going to circle the number that's in front of the parentheses. In this case, it's a positive 2. And we're going to multiply it by each term inside the parentheses. So the first multiply it by is, okay, so 2 times x we know is 2x. And then I'm going to multiply the positive 2 times the positive 2 that's inside the parentheses, and I get a positive 4. The 3x was not involved in the parentheses or the distribution, so I just bring that down. And that still equals -1 on the other side. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to look at only the left side. And I'm noticing that I have like terms. I have a 3x here, and I have a positive 2x here. Because they're on the same side of the equal sign, I can go ahead and combine those together. So 3x's plus 2 more x's is a total of 5x's. So now I just bring down the positive 4, and that equals -1. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my ladder, because now I'm going to solve for x. First thing I have to do is get all my constants on the right side, and remember a constant is a number without a variable. So I'm going to do that by doing the opposite. And the opposite of adding 4 is subtracting 4. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other. The left side cancels out. I'm left with 5x. And on the right side, I have 1 negative here and 4 more negatives, so I have a total of 5 negatives. And you can use your calculator for that if you need. I know the 5 and the x are attached by multiplication. So in order to undo multiplication, I'm going to divide. And I always divide by the number that's in front of the variable. So in this situation, it's a 5. And anything I do to one side, I do to the other. 5 divided by 5 is a fancy form of 1. So I'm left with 1x. And a negative divided by a positive is a negative. And 5 divided by 5 is 1. So that is why x is equal to 1. Good luck on yours.